Mypy type of concatenate tuples. I have a function that takes specific tuples and concatenates, and I am trying to specify the type of the output, but Mypy does not agree with me. File test.py. Running Mypy 0.641 as Mypy ignore missing imports test.py I get. Which I guess is true but more generic, given that I specify my inputs.
This is a known issue, but there appears to be no timeline for enabling Mypy to do the correct type inference.
Concatenation of fixed-length tuples is not currently supported by Mypy. As a workaround, you can construct a tuple from individual elements. Or using unpacking if you have Python 3.5+.
Here is a less verbose workaround, Python 3.5+.